Team coverage continues now with a look at current conditions in New York City.
CBS's John Diaz keeping an eye out for flooding near Jamaica Bay. He's at Howard Beach. They always have problems there. John, what's it look like now?
Hey, Al, Chris and City, good morning to both of you. I just keep holding on to my hat. I mean, I know it would probably make for good television if it goes flying off my head, right? To show you the elements of just how windy it is. Well, let me tell you, I don't think you need that to know it is bad out here. Take a live look right here behind me. Cross Bay Boulevard right now. Doesn't look too bad right now, though. You can still see it is wet out here. But about 6:30 this morning, so the morning rush hour, it is going to start to pick up now. So you're going to be dealing with a lot of wind out here as you're driving on these main roads. So keep that in mind as you're passing cars or anything like that. Just go slower because the wind, the rain is going to make for just a mess of a morning commute. Speaking of a mess, take a look at this video. This is in the northern part of Queens over by the Throgs Neck Bridge. What you're looking at is video of the Cross Island Parkway over there. Cars got stuck and had to get towed away, got stuck there in those floodwaters. Now, we're actually not seeing that actually happening out here in the Howard Beach section of Queens, at least where we are standing here over by the Cross Bay Boulevard. But we are again seeing a lot of rain and a lot of wind whipping back and forth. The city was prepared for this. They actually went around to check all the different catch basins to make sure that they were well equipped to deal with all this flooding. And also Con Edison and other major power providers, they too were prepared for this. Con Edison got an additional 600 workers to deal with any power outages, and we are hearing there are thousands of people without power due to this storm. Let's take a live look back out here, though. I want to show you these flags right here. You can see them just whipping. These flags really have looked like this entire morning, just whipping back and forth. It's all we've been kind of hearing is this wind. It is right above the Cross Bay Diner, which I must tell you guys opens up in about a half an hour. Very excited to go in there and drink some coffee to get out of this rain and all this wind. But let me tell you, though, again, before I wrap up, just be careful out there. I know, it's the tri-state area, the Northeast. We are used to dealing with all this, but let me tell you, these winds, though, they are really strong. But for now, reporting here live this morning from Howard Beach, Queens, John Diaz, CBS 2 News.
Okay, John, be sure to stay with CBS 2 as we bring you the very latest on today's heavy rain and the wind conditions out there. We'll have continuing coverage throughout the morning on the air and, of course, online.